Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. First, we'll take a look at the pound dollar, GBP USD, on the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, it's been making lower lows and lower highs for the past few weeks, past month or so. This was the last lower high that just broke this lower low today. So we'll map out our range that we're dealing with. And as you can see, I wouldn't look for a sell down here. It looks like it's consolidating sideways, but we'll just look and wait to see a retracement back up to the 50% to see when bearish momentum kicks back in. And it depends on when that happens. You could be looking at this area of supply here, or this area of supply higher up. Just depends on when that bearish momentum starts to kick back in. Then we look for an opportunity to sell. Next, we'll take a look at Euro USD, and it appears to be similar to GBP USD as the dollar is still strong. It's been making lower lows and lower highs. This is the last lower high that broke this structure, so that is the strong lower high. And unlike GBP USD, this was not able to break past this lower low today. But we'll map out our range that we're dealing with, where we're looking to take opportunities from. But right now, I don't see a trade present. I would still consider this bearish. It's bearish until it's not, but I don't trade in the middle of the range. And AUD USD has been bearish also because of the strong dollar. But this has been making lower lows and lower highs, but it's been trading sideways for the past few weeks, for the past week or so. And this is the range we're dealing with. I'm looking for any opportunities to buy or sell. It's clearly been clearing out liquidity on the bottom and the top, and it's still trading sideways in the range. This looks like it's starting expansion or manipulation in order to make a move, which could happen shortly. And after that, you see which direction they're trying to take it. And for NZD, USD is the same. It's making lower lows and lower highs. And it's been dealing in the sideways range for the past week or so. It's been doing the same as the Aussie dollar. It's been taking liquidity out from both the top and the bottom liquidity and just trading sideways within the range. And it also similar looks like it's just expanding or manipulating right now in order to prepare for a move later on this week or maybe next week. Next, take a look at GBP AUD. Now, this has been bullish, making higher highs and higher lows. So this is we're gonna make a higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, but this higher low wasn't able to break past this higher high, and this looks more corrective. So I'm also looking for sells, but it's still bullish until it's not. This looks more impulsive. This bearish move looks impulsive, but as a 4-hour chart that we're looking at, this is broken past all of the lows that were holding up in order to continue pushing up. Now the liquidity has been taken out, and now the more impulsive moves are bearish. But I'll still map out the range from the daily perspective, because this is the daily higher low that hasn't been broken yet. But we'll see if the buyers step back in and push it further. But once it breaks down here, I'll be looking to make a sell opportunity and change the range. This is the daily range, and this will be the 4-hour range because it has pulled back in order to keep pushing down. But this was a strong higher low for the daily. And this is GBP. NZD looks similar. I also make the range from the daily perspective because that was a strong bullish move. But again, it's the same situation where this was the lower, the higher low, the higher high, and this higher low wasn't able to break past the higher high. So bear stepped back in. This is more impulsive. This is more corrective. And now it's generally just trading sideways. And once it passes and breaks past with bearish momentum past this higher low from the daily perspective, then I'll be looking to take a sell. But if you want the 4-hour range, would look something like this. It already has pulled back 50% in order to continue pushing down, but it hasn't picked up with volume and momentum. So thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading.